Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to talk to you about something that is essential nowadays: data security. How many times have you lost important information due to a problem with your device? Whether it's a computer, phone, or any other electronic device, we are always subject to this type of problem. That's why Stellar has developed its data recovery software. Stellar is the best data recovery software on the market and can help you recover lost or deleted data from any Windows device. With the most advanced technology on the market, our data recovery tools are highly customizable and have a huge library of file types and deep scan features. This means you can trust us to recover data that you thought was lost forever. In addition, Stellar also has BitRaiser, a secure file deletion tool that allows you to erase files, folders, internet history, and more to protect data privacy. This is especially important today when privacy is such a sensitive issue. If you're a photographer or work with videos and audio files, Stellar also has photo recovery and video repair software. With these tools, you can recover lost photos, videos, and audio files recorded with DSLRs, drones, action cameras, among others. And if you have corrupted videos of MP4, MOV, AVI, MKV, AVCHD, MJPEG, and other leading video formats, Stellar can help you repair them. And that's not all. Stellar also offers iPhone recovery software, which allows you to recover deleted photos, videos, contacts, call history, etc. directly from your iPhone and iPad. And for businesses, Stellar has advanced software that allows email repair, email conversion, file repair, data recovery, and deletion, among others. But why choose Stellar? Because we are leaders in data care. With over 25 years of experience, we have more than 3 million customers in 190 countries and over 8,000 partners. And that's not all. We have won more than 100 awards and reviews, being recognized as experts by TechRadar, PC World, Mundo Mac, TechGenix.com, and many others. And that's not all. Stellar is trusted by Fortune 500 companies. So, if you want to be sure that your data is safe, don't waste any more time and choose Stellar. With it, you can have the peace of mind that your data will always be protected. Thank you. Like Publisher Crazy.